why is he contacting Rogie Gibson before he calls Buster? Straight out to Joshua Ritter, well-known defense attorney, partner at L. Dab Ritter Trial Lawyers and former LA County Deputy District Attorney. Joshua, thank you for being with us. What do you do with a client who's standing right beside his wife and son's dead bodies, and he looks up a local restaurant?
Yeah, it's a problem, and it's something they're going to really have to deal with, because listen, it doesn't make him a murderer that he's making these phone calls and he's looking up restaurants. But how do you get jurors to wrap their heads around that? You can say all you want about how different people behave differently when they're in shock, and none of us know how we would behave. But I'm sorry, at the bottom of the list of things that we would be doing is looking up a restaurant. And you're right, they're going to have to do something about that to give some sort of explanation to jurors that they can hang their hat on. Otherwise, this looks like the conduct of, at the worst, a guilty man, and at the very least, somebody who just doesn't seem to care about what he's standing right next to.
Okay, can I just correct you on one thing, Joshua Ritter? And I know you're a high-profile defense attorney, but I have never once said, oh, everybody reacts differently when they're grieving. That's not, no. That would be what you would say when you have a criminal defendant that's doing something that is unacceptable to most people, such as, I don't know, bringing your mistress to a funeral, or, which I've seen in other cases, not this one that I know of, or looking up a local restaurant while you're standing beside your wife and son's dead body.